Hi. In this video, we'll be going through an introduction to one of the most important parts of web development, and that is the language HTML. So here's a question. Have you ever wondered how exactly web pages are made? You probably view several websites a day on the internet, but have you ever wondered what goes into making these web pages behind the scenes? Well, introducing HTML. HTML is the language for building web pages. So why learn HTML? Well, HTML lets us build our own web pages. When we build our own web pages, we can easily share our ideas and creations with the entire world. Web pages have become an incredibly valuable resource in our society for spreading information, spreading ideas, for artists to share their creations, for groups to get together and organize. Web pages are the new way information is shared between people. Well, let's start with breaking down this HTML. What exactly is HTML? Well, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. How exactly does HTML mark up the text of a web page? Well, introducing HTML tags. HTML tags mark up the text of a document in order to tell the browser how that text should be displayed. So HTML is made up of several tags that can decorate or mark up the standard text of a document in order to tell the browser how that text should be displayed. So at the core of it, HTML is really just normal text plus these markup tags. So what do HTML tags look like? Well, they're enclosed in angle brackets. You can see there, that's an example of an HTML tag. They are not actually displayed on the resulting web page. They're only found in the HTML document, not on the final web page. And they inform the browser about how certain text should be displayed. So let's look at our first HTML tag, and that is the H1 tag. So as you can see, tags start and end with angle brackets. We have the opening angle bracket and the closing angle bracket. And the name of the tag goes in between these angle brackets. So this is an H1 tag. The name of the tag is H1. Now when we use these tags, we need both an opening tag and a closing tag. And the opening tag looks exactly like the closing tag, except that the closing tag has a backslash right before the tag name. Now in between the opening and closing tag, we have the actual text or the content on the web page that is affected by the tag. So here, the hello will be affected by the H1 tag. It's decorated with H1. Let's see what this looks like in the editor. You can see the code here, and let's see what happens if we take off the H1 tag and we just say hello. So here we see that the text looks a little bit different. If we add around the hello an H1 tag, we're actually marking it up or decorating it to tell the browser, hey, I want it to be displayed big and bold. So that's our first tag, the H1 tag, and this is our first HTML page. Now it's your turn.